Dear students, today we are going to learn about series connection of capacitors. Here I have taken three capacitors, capacitor C1, capacitor C2, capacitor C3. If you call this is first plate of capacitor C1, this is second plate. And if you call this is first plate of capacitor C2, this is second plate. If you call first plate of capacitor C3, this is second plate. Now, second plate of first capacitor is connected to first plate of second capacitor. Second plate of second capacitor is connected to first plate of third capacitor. If you connect like this is called series connection of capacitors. When they are connected in series connection, and here is a switch and battery here for charging of the capacitors. Now, what battery will do from this rightmost plate of the capacitors, that is this, from this plate of the C3 it will draw the Q charge ड्रा करेगा. वो Q चार्ज को ट्रांसफर करके ए के फर्स्ट प्लेट पर ले जाएगा. सो C3 के सेकंड प्लेट पर से Q चार्ज ड्रा करेगा. एक्चुअली जीरो चार्ज था, सो दैट जीरो चार्ज वी कैन राइट एज प्लस Q माइनस Q. दैट प्लस Q ड्रा कर दिया एंड टेक इन टू फर्स्ट प्लेट ऑफ द ए चार्ज, C1. So here plus Q charge has come, plus Q, and here minus Q has come. क्योंकि न्यूट्रल प्लेट था पहला जीरो चार्ज, जीरो कैन बी ट्रीटेड एज plus Q minus Q. Then plus Q is drawn outside by the battery too and taken to this plate. Then it is left what is there, minus Q. So here minus Q, here plus Q. Means what? This battery has transferred only Q charge. And so this plate has got now plus Q charge. Then if you treat from this plate to this plate one body, as one body, due to induction, because of this plus Q charge, here will get minus Q, here will get plus Q. Induction के ऊपर ये बॉडी माने तो ये बॉडी में से चार्जेस विल बी सेपरेटेड, इधर माइनस Q आएगा, इधर प्लस Q आ जाएगा, बिकॉज ऑफ इंडक्शन ऑफ दिस चार्ज. And similarly, because of induction of this positive charge in this body, if you treat this whole as one body, because of presence of this positive charge, here negative, here positive you will get, and here already minus is there. See, in that way, the other capacitors are getting the charges because of induction, not because of transfer by the battery. Only battery has transferred only one Q charge only, and the remaining charges on the capacitors were getting due to induction. But anyhow, on every capacitor पर Q charge दिखाई देगा, plus Q minus Q, plus Q minus Q, plus Q minus Q, ही दिखाई देगा. But equivalent capacitors if you draw between A and B, A point is this, B point is this, and equivalent capacitance C I am calling. So since battery has transferred only one plus Q, so here plus Q, here minus Q. Means what? Instead of these three, we are showing its equivalent, their equivalent, only one capacitance C. Charge transfer here is Q only, so Q only should be shown here, plus Q and minus Q, capacitance C. So from that we can write C is equal to Q by V. Next from this V by Q is equal to 1 by C. This is equation 2. And here, since capacitors are in series, potential difference between A and E or between two plates is V1. Potential difference between E and F or between two plates is V2. Potential difference between F and B or it is across between two plates, that is V3. These V1, V2, V3 are in series, so that's why V must be equal to VAE plus V EF plus VFB. That means V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now, but if we know capacitors के विषय में the formula क्या, C is equal to Q by V. इसी से C1 क्या होता है, Q by V1. Here Q is same for every capacitor. So V1 is equal to Q by C1. Similarly, V2 is equal to Q by C2. Similarly, V3 is equal to Q by C3. If you substitute in equation 1, then we will get this. If you use the equation 2, which is 1 by C is V by Q, then V by Q is replaced with 1 by C. So these are relation we got among the capacitances. In which C1, C2, C3 are the capacitance of individual capacitors. C is their equivalent. So whenever capacitors are connected in series, equivalent capacitance C can be found from this equation. ये equation का speciality क्या है? Equivalent के capacitance तीनों के capacitance में जो भी छोटा है, कम से कम है, उससे भी कम रहेगा C का value. So to minimize the equivalent capacitance, we use such connection. And इसमें और एक बात क्या याद रख लेना है? Charge transferred is only one Q by the battery. Even though we are seeing Q charge here, Q charge here, Q charge here, as if every capacitor is appear to be stored Q charge, but actually those charges have come there due to induction. Only one Q is transferred by whole combination. So Q charge is stored by equivalent capacitance, and each capacitor पर Q charge ही दिखता because of induction. Then here potential difference, total potential difference is V1 plus V2 plus V3. These points you have to remember. Now capacitors in parallel connection. In parallel connection, capacitors C, this is capacitor C1, this is capacitor C2, this is capacitor C3. सबके first plates are joined to point A and सबके second plates are joined to point B, and between point A and point B battery is connected. Means what? Battery का positive to point A, negative is also to point B, to where battery will provide V potential. Means what? Between A and B potential difference is V, which is provided by the battery between A and B. And between A and B only C1 is present. Between A and B only C2 is present. Between A and B only C3 is present. Means what? C1 could be potential difference V. C2 could be potential difference V. C3 could be potential difference V. So every capacitor is provided with same potential difference. But the charge, the battery will draw Q1 charge from first capacitor, from second capacitor Q2 charge, from third capacitor Q3 charge. Total charge drawn is Q, which must be equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. And is providing to Q1 here, Q2 here, Q3 here. And due to here minus charge, minus charge, minus charge. So means what? This is charged by Q1 charge. This is charged by Q2 charge. This is charged by Q3 charge. But potential difference will be same across 3. Because potential difference, because every capacitor is between A and B only, to which battery is connected. So between A and B potential difference, battery potential difference. So that potential difference will be seen across every capacitor. Now you know C1 is equal to Q1 by V. So from this Q1 is C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, Q3 is equal to C3V. Now equivalent capacitance of these three, if we call one capacitance C like this, between A and B, equivalent capacitance is placed here. And since Q charge is drawn, so Q charge is drawn. So here plus Q, here minus Q. Then what we can write? C is equal to Q by V we can write. Now here Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Na? So from this Q1 already we found C1V. So we substitute here C1V plus C2V plus C3V, then C1 plus C2 plus C3 into V. So V, if you brought this side, Q by V is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. But Q by V from equation 1 we are getting C. So C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So ये parallel connection में importance क्या? Total charge is equal to Q is a total charge drawn by the battery or stored by the combination, where Q1 is stored by C1 capacitor, Q2 is stored by C2 capacitor, and Q3 is stored by C3 capacitor. And total combination storing Q charge, which is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. And potential difference across each capacitor is same here. And here one more importance, the equivalent capacitance is greater than all the three capacitors, because equivalent capacitance is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3.